Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know, today our topic is how to use the FB ads setting option in the FB ads manager account. Basically what is FB ad setting is like there are a lot of options provided in the FB ad setting which we can use to set the ad account as per our convenience so that we can build a campaign that will generate result for us. So in today's video I will let you know how to use that settings, how to use that setting more conveniently, and after that we will able to create a campaign that will generate us lead. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to use the advertise setting for our ad account, like Facebook ad account. So in today's video I will let you know what is advertise setting option and how we can use that, and what are the options that we will have in advertising setting. So first of all, you just need to click on the all tool section, and then you need to go to the advertise setting option. You just need to click on that, then it will redirect to the advertising setting. And as you can see here, we have different options like industry, account control, meta verified, advantage purpose creative, audience segment, default, beneficiary and paid, data setting pixel, shop reporting, and tablet. So basically these are the settings which we need to use in our FB ads account so that we will create the campaign accordingly. So let's start with the first option is the industry. As you know, we need to select a industry for which we are advertising for. So we can set the same from this option, like industry one. You just need to click on that, and as you can see, I have already set it to the e-commerce because my campaign, like my website, is an e-commerce website. So I have set the industry is an e-commerce industry, but you can update it. You can update it from here. If you are, you can say your website is for some kind of insurance. You can choose an insurance option here and change it. If you have a non-profit organization, then you can choose a non-profit organization. If you are running ad for some political reason, you can choose it from here. So there are different categories here. You just need to check that off and update it, and then your ad account is set to that particular industry. Like my industry is set to the e-commerce industry. So in the same way, you can use that industry option in the advertising setting so that you will give a brief about of your business to the Facebook algorithm, and they will know, yeah, this ad account is targeting this particular industry, and they will find the audience accordingly for our campaigns, and we will have better chance of getting this. After that, we have the option of audience control. So in audience control options, we have two options. This ad account has no audience control for set because I didn't set it, but you can set it. If you want to advertise in some particular location, you want your ad account will only run campaign between a particular location, like take an example like in California, then you can set it here. Then in your campaign level, you will not get the option to target any other specific option. Okay, so my business advertise C is targeted good or success. If you want, your minimum age should be 30, like 50, 25. So you can set it out from here. Then at the campaign level, you didn't get any option to target the age under 25. Okay, so you can set it from here. My business restrict advertising to some of the audience. If you want to restrict some audience, you can restrict it from here. So these changes will automatically go to the campaign level. Then nobody will get that option which you have set it here in the detailed targeting or audience control section. So you can set it from here. As I won't want all the audience, but if you want, you can select from here. And after that, the third one is meta verified. It's just a badge. Like if you want to get verified and you want to run an advertisement for with the help of your verified badge, you can do it from here. And after that is the advantage creative options. This is like if you want, Facebook will give you some creative by analyzing your website. You can test it from here. So you can just need to check this off, and then in the advantage plus perception, you will see that things. Okay, so after that we have an audience engagement option. Okay, where you can define your audience, like which kind of people will aware or which kind of people will see more of your ads. You can set it from here so that the algorithm work accordingly and you will get an audience that is perfect for your campaign. Okay. After that, we have option of default beneficiary and pair. If you want to set a beneficiary for your ad account, you can set it from here. As if you want to add a beneficiary, you can add it from here, the person who own the account, or you have to add a beneficiary like a new name of your organization, you can set it from here. Basically, beneficiary help to recognize Facebook ads who the payer who is basically paying for your advertisement. So you need to add very default beneficiary, and you see that option when you create a campaign in the ad set level. You see that option. Okay, so you can set it from here. And after that, data and pixel. In the data and pixel, you can set which data event you want to use for particular campaign. So you can set it from here, and you can create and manage event and make changing in the setting of the data pixels and data sets and pixels from here. And shop reporting, if you want to create a report or some kind of measurement for your Instagram and Facebook shop, you can do it from here. You can create, and accordingly you will fetch all the data from your events in your like shops and Instagram and Facebook shop. So these are the options. These are some of the options which we will get in the advertising settings, and you can set these things from here, and accordingly you can like make your ad account better to get better reach for your campaigns, for your e-commerce campaigns. So this will help you to get most out of all your ads and help you to get results. So I think now you are able to know why is this advertise setting option given in the FB ads. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashed on the screen. Bye bye.